Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cheese version of a pork pad thai. No, nothing near where you would say traditional, but it is awesome. Alright, here we go, 400 grams worth of pork mince, and that was slightly a little bit frozen, so I'm going to split that up and wait for it. We're going to have a major fail moment. I broke my favourite cooking implement ever. Right. Couple of tablespoons worth of Jiaxing wine that's going to go in, and we're also going to add in around about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons worth of soy sauce. I'm also going to add in around about a tablespoon's worth of sesame oil and a good dash of white pepper to taste. Alright, that goes in, and I'm also going to add in around about 1 clove to 2 cloves of garlic that can go straight in, and I'm going to give that a good stir, and we're going to let that sit for around about 20 minutes to half an hour. Alright, here I've got some chicken stock, around about half a cup's worth, and a tablespoon's worth of corn starch or corn flour. Now I'm going to start making my sauce up all in one. So I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons worth of tamarind concentrate that can go straight in, and I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons worth of fish sauce that goes in, and we're also going to add in around about a tablespoon's worth of soy, a little bit of oyster sauce, about 2 tablespoons worth, and that's going to make the sweetness all happen just like that. Now here I've got my wok, a little bit of peanut oil. We're going to bring that up to a nice hot temperature. I can check that with my hand, and I'm going to add in 250 grams worth of sliced mushrooms. I bought these straight from the supermarket, and they're already sliced up, and I'm using my, yeah, well, screw that, throw that away. Let's get another implement so we can keep cooking away our mushrooms. All we really need to do is get those sweated down and partially cooked. They don't take very long at all, probably about 3 to 4 minutes or so, and we can take those out. A little bit more peanut oil can go straight in just like that, and let's add our pork mixture with all those beautiful flavors that can go all straight into our wok. Alright, so our wok is sitting at a sort of medium heat. I don't usually like to get my implements too hot unless I'm cooking on the barbecue, but anyway, we're going to keep stirring that around just like that. Now this dish is quick and easy. It's going to take you 15 minutes from go to whoa. Alright, our pork is all cooked through. We're going to put those mushrooms straight in just like that, and all we need to do is keep those stirring around. We can see a little bit of moisture in the bottom. Yeah, that's going to happen in a domestic kitchen. If you're in an industrial kitchen, things are a little bit different. We use a higher heat, but I'm just cooking at home. Alright, so all of that goes straight in like that. Mrs. KP has already got some nice rice noodle, and we're not using the traditional flat noodle. We're just going to use a pre-prepared rice noodle, some spring onion, which I've sort of julienned just like that, and put that straight in, and in goes all of that beautiful sauce that we made in the beginning. So we're going to use that little bit of tamarind, the fish sauce, and that little bit of sweet soy, and all that goes together. Serve it up, and it's going to look just like that. And how easy was that? I was going to put a little bit of fried shallot straight on top, just to add a little bit of eye candy and mouth candy to it. Anyway, I'd like to see you try and make this one at home. Really simple, really quick. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up and share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Leave a comment. I love reading, I love responding to them, and I do respond to all valid comments, not spam. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make a quick Asian meal just like this using just things you've got hanging around, well, need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. After eat my cheats pork pad thai, and I will catch you next time. Bye.